Mom's Kitchen Ideas. So today we are going to be making a fun Swedish chicken salad. Has lots of flavor, just a little bit of seasonings in there, but lots of flavor. So hopefully you like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you are going to need a can of chicken. I've already pre-drained mine out. And you can use any brand you like. Oops. And you're going to need some mayonnaise. You're going to need some dill. You can use fresh dill, dry dill, whichever one you like. We're going to need a loaf of bread. And I did bring some salt and pepper just in case. And then you are going to use some butter in the skillet. So let's get started and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in my chicken chunks. And then I'm going to get the fork. I'm going to grab a fork and I'm just going to kind of crunch it up in the bowl. So usually when you open up the cans, it's all chunky. So I'm just going to mash it up like this. You can use more than one can with this recipe. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. I'm just doing one can. My husband would probably come and mess up by himself. Alright, so now that I have it all mashed up, I'm just going to take a little scoop of mayonnaise. Throw it in. I'm going to get a little bit more than that. And then I'm going to take some dill. Like I said, use fresh dill, use dry dill, and I'm going to put quite a bit in there because you want that flavor. So my husband likes a little spice. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. And then just a little dash of salt. Not much. And that's really it for the salad. You just kind of mix it up. That's pretty much it for the chicken salad. If you want to upgrade it, put some eggs in there, that's always fine. But I call this a Swedish chicken salad because it's so light, not overpowering and like a spiciness or anything unless you want to add something there. So now that I've done this, I'm going to go to my skillet and show you how I melt my butter and toast my bread in there. Alright, so I will see you there in a bit. I'm going to let this sit. Alright, so now that I have my chicken salad going, I just put in a couple little pieces of butter in the skillet and I'm going to let it melt down just a little bit. You don't want it to turn brown, so I got my stove on about level 3. So yeah, I'm gonna let this melt down. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you how I cut up my bread to make it look like kind of like a little like a appetizer meal. So let me show you that real quick while this is melting. Okay, so what I do for this part, I just use normal bread. You can use any kind of loaf of bread you like to use. I just take the bread out and I actually just cut off the ends of it like this. Kind of make it like a clean cut. And I do save these because I make croutons out of them. So if you like to do that, you could definitely do that. I'm going to do a video on that soon. And I just, now that I've cut all the butts and ends off, I just cut it in half. And that is it. So I take these, I put them in the skillet, and I toast them until they're brown. I like that really pretty golden color. And then that's how I put my chicken salad right on top. So it's pretty easy. Easy and yummy. So not much cooking involved. So if you want to wow your guests with a really tasty little appetizer, and probably look like it took forever to cook it, but no, that's really it. So I'm going to meet you back in the skillet and show you how I toast these and make them nice and pretty without burning them. And then we'll put the salad on top. So I'll see you there. Okay, as you can see, my butter is melted. I'm just going to put my bread in there. I grab a couple more pieces. Try to stick about 4 or 5 in there. And I'm just going to kind of let those toast a little bit. It really doesn't take long toasting them in the skillet, as long as you have enough butter in there for it to suck up. And then once that happens, then you just put your chicken salad on top, and it tastes really good just having the cold and the warm mixed together. So hopefully you like this recipe. I mean, it's really tasty. I think it is. So, anywho, I'm just gonna check my bread and see if it's toasting. See, it has a little bit of butter on that side. I don't want it quite yet. So, yeah. So I'm gonna let these sit here for probably about another minute, and then I'll show you how I top the salad on top of them. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, my bread is nice and pretty and toasted. Really pretty golden color. And so now I'm just going to take my chicken salad that's been sitting for a little bit. I am just going to top it on top of this nice toasted piece of bread. Like that. Yes, there you go. So it's really easy, very tasty. Kind of remind me of when you go to Papados and you eat the bread and some kind of spinach dip they give you, or the crab dip. That's what it kind of reminds me of, but I'm sure it tastes pretty good if you use seafood. I know the Swedish they use the tiny baby shrimp, and they chop it up and they put mayonnaise on there, and it's pretty much the same thing except for I just use chicken. So this is a really easy recipe, really yummy, tasty. The dill is actually what sets out the taste and flavors in the chicken. So hopefully you like this recipe, or you'll be willing to try it. It's really easy while you're just looking for a little snack or a little appetizer before dinner. So there you go. Thank you again for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.